Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're on our Zettelkasten week, which is where we have a little bit of fun talking about how we actually use our Zettelkastens to help us with our writing. And without spoiling any more, I'm going to pass it right over to Victoria to get us started. Victoria?
Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. So glad to have everyone here. We have more and more people joining us week to week, which is super exciting. So, this week for the compass, I just want to give you a tiny sneak peek at where we're headed, which is this. If you recall, last week we talked about the genre of microfiction, and there's so many different ways that you can divide a story up into tiny bits and parts that stand alone, or you can use what I like to call connective tissue to string those things together so that those tiny parts become a larger whole of a finished story or a finished work. So what we're going to talk about when we get to the map tomorrow is, what does that look like? How do you go about creating that? And of course, what part does the Zettelkasten play in that process so that you can always find your ideas and you have a sense of how you're going to use them when you get to the writing. So that's where we're headed tomorrow. I will throw it back over to Kathleen for her side of the compass.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. That sounds pretty nifty. Well, I'm going to be talking about a very similar topic. I'm going to be talking also about microfiction and how you can use it in your character development work, because, of course, that's my side of the aisle. Well, for character development, we're going to talk about how fabulous these character traits that we've looked at through these past weeks can be a marvelous springboard for microfiction, because you can picture a character in your mind that demonstrates that character trait and then do a simple little 100-word or even a 6-word. Can you imagine that? Trying to do 6 words that capture a character trait. That would be an exercise. But to be a little easier, 100 words would do it. And that will give you a wonderful exercise in helping you get used to writing these character traits into your descriptions of a character. So that's all I have for this week. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope, I think it's going to be super fun. So I will meet you and see all of you over in the map tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.